बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बहरुल उलूम, फ़ख्र सुन्नियत, फ़ख्र अहले सुन्नत, शेर अहले सुन्नत, ताजदार अहले सुन्नत, मुनाज़िर इस्लाम, the outstanding debater of Islam, he who is an ocean of knowledge, Hazrat Allama Maulana Mufti Sayyid Muhammad Irfan Shah Sahab Mashhadi, Hafidahullah Ta'ala. He is an outstanding Alim-e-Deen of the Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. That is the only true version of Islam on the globe of the earth. He is the pride of the Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, and he is admired by all Sunnis, whether they are young or old. He is their favorite, and this is because of his true aqaid, that he is steadfast and firm upon the Aqidah Haqq of the Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. This fearless lion is always there to roar at the enemies, whether these enemies come to him in the form of Wahhabis, Salafis, Deobandis, Ghair Muqallids, Nasibis, Kharijis, whether they come in the form of the Rawafid, the Shias, or the Qadianis, whether they come in the form of the Tafzilis and pretend to show themselves as Sunnis, whether they come in the form of the Fitna-e-Tahiri, whose leader is Tahir al-Qadri, and who believes, unfortunately, that Christians and Jews are also believers. This great lion, fearless lion, is always ready to defend the true honor and teachings of Islam. He is a symbol of our Aslaf, a true follower of the Maslike Ala Hazrat Azimul Barkat. This outstanding Alim-e-Deen, who is an ocean of knowledge, who has been serving Islam for the last few decades. He is that Alim-e-Deen who, I believe and I have seen, has never compromised with any kind of falsehood. He will always serve Islam in its true meaning, deliver the true meaning of Islam, and whatever the falsehood is, whatever kind of batil comes before him, he is always ready to defend the honor and teachings of Islam like an unbreakable shield, and to strike at the enemies through his lectures, through his debates, like a beautiful, amazing sword. He is such a great Alim-e-Deen that, with reference to whom even my Piro Murshid, the true Shaykhul Islam, Hazrat Allama Maulana Raisul Muhaqqiqeen, Munazir Islam, Sayyidi wa Murshidi, Mufti Sayyid Muhammad Madni Miya Hafidahullah Ta'ala, even he has a very high regard for this great, outstanding Alim-e-Deen. And this is because of Qibla Irfan Shah Sahab Mashhadi's Aqidah Haqq, that he will not compromise with any kind of falsehood, even if it is the falsehood which has not reached the extent of kufr, like the Tafzilis. But he will serve Islam and deliver it in its purest form. And hence, because of this, he is an alime ba'amal. We pray to Allah Azza wa Jal that he grants Hazrat a long and healthy life, so that we may continue to benefit with the fares of this great scholar of Islam.